Welcome. Today we are looking at CRE Paper 1, Revision 15. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Question 1a. Why the Bible had to be compiled to present form? In order to prevent information from getting lost, the eyewitnesses of Jesus were being killed due to the expansion of the church, counteract faith teaching, or to counteract teachers who were confusing, to ensure same beliefs were taught to all Christians, to reach the Jews of diaspora, to preserve an orderly account of the biblical themes. Question 1b. 7 effects of sin on Adam and Eve with reference to the story of the fall of human beings in Genesis chapter 3. They started dying, yet they were to live forever. They became afraid of God. They lost their authority over the creation. Man was to rule over the woman. The woman was to be in pain while giving birth. There developed enmity between the human beings and the serpent. They were to toil in order to get their food. They became embarrassed because of their nakedness. They developed mistrust between man and woman. They were expelled out of the Garden of Eden. Or rather, you can just say they were separated from God. They were separated from God. Question 1 say, ways in which Christians in Kenya use the Bible today. To read the Bible for spiritual growth. They use it for instructing new converts. It is used as a textbook when teaching Christian religious education in schools. It is used as a resource material in search of general knowledge. It is used to compose Christian hymns. It is used in taking oath. It is used as a prayer book. It is used for preaching. It is used to explain Christian ethics. It is used for guidance and counseling. It is used to produce Christian literature. Question 2a. How God prepared the Israelites for covenant making. God told Moses to remind the people of Israel of how he brought them out of Egypt. God told Moses that he wanted to make a special relationship with them. Moses called the elders and told them what God had said. God told Moses he wanted Israelites to obey him. The Israelites promised to do all the Lord had said. He promised to come down and meet with the people on the third day. People were instructed to consecrate themselves by washing their garments. Moses set boundaries for people not to go up the mountain. People were to abstain from sexual relationships. On the third day, there was a thick cloud upon the mountain, a loud trumpet blast, and an earthquake. Moses brought the people out to meet with God. The Lord came down to the top of the mountain and called Moses up the mountain. Question 2b. Characteristics of the covenant between God and Abraham. It was initialized by God, it was permanent, it was unconditional, it was sealed through the sacrifice of animals, there were promises to be fulfilled, the parties entered it willingly, they offered sacrifices to God, it had an outward sign which was circumcision, it was between two unequal parties. Question 2c. Challenges that Christians face while practicing their faith in Kenya. Emergence of splinter groups within the church, emergence of cults which practice ungodly activities, emphasis on materialism by the churches, lack of role models among the leaders, open conflicts among the leaders, misuse of resources by the leaders, rise of state-church conflicts, confusion among Christians due to different interpretations of the Bible, church leaders not having time for all members, they are discriminating members, negative effects of mass media, permissiveness in the society and moral decadence. Question 3a. The achievements of King David. He conquered and defeated the enemies of Israel. He expanded the geographical boundaries of Israel. He captured the old fortress of Jerusalem from the Jebusites. He made Jerusalem the capital city of Israel. He made Jerusalem a religious center by bringing the Ark of the Covenant from Abinadab's house. He made peace treaties with his neighbors. He composed many psalms used in worship. He united the 12 tribes of Israel under one ruler. He made preparations for the construction of the temple. He respected God's prophets and even consulted them. Question 3b. 4 life skills used by Prophet Elijah to fight against false religion. Number 1, there is assertiveness. He told Ahab that he was the cause of trouble in Israel. Creative thinking, he requested for a contest. Decision making, he killed the prophets of Baal. Self-esteem, was convinced that God was with him. Conflict resolution, convinced the Israelites that Yahweh was a true God. Effective communication, when explained to the people how the contest would be carried out. Self-awareness, he knew that he was a prophet of God. Critical thinking, he sought ways to prove that Yahweh was the true God. Negotiation, Elijah asked the Israelites to choose between God and Baal. Question 3 say, lessons modern political leaders can learn from King David. Modern political leaders should have faith in God. They should promote the worship of true God in their nations, should ask for forgiveness when they do wrong. They should seek advice from church leaders. They should not use their position to oppress their subjects. They should promote unity among their subjects. They should establish good relations with their neighboring countries. They should secure their countries from eternal threats. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.